Good evening, ma'am. Ngasi akhoi choi college ki lem lighting and outside taking ceremony ki video ama hapcharakke. Moi kai kai tau ge habdu yengminase ai ju tanja chana na yawa phange. Moi gi lem lighting ni moi video am da nambi ge.
MGM Medical College and Hospital and respected Dr. Aparna Kakkad, Chief Medical Superintendent, MGM Medical College and Hospital. I also welcome Ms. Vidyarani Yamnam, Principal, Institute of Mrs. Prerna Darvi, Administrative Officer, MGM Nursing College. I kindly invite all the dignitaries to please be on the dais. Thank you all the dignitaries. Very good morning to one and all present here. I am honored to stand before you and welcome respected dignitaries on the dais. We are gathered here to celebrate lamp lighting ceremony of 17th batch of BSc Nursing program, 31st batch of JNM program and 16th batch of ANM program. I request Ms. Vidyarani Yamnam, Principal, MGM Institute of Nursing Education, to welcome Dr. Aparna Kakkad. MGM Mother Teresa College of Nursing, Dr. Kavaljeet Kaur, Dr. Prabhadevi N, Ms. Sangeeta Pardesi, and Ms. Pooja Dabhade. I also invite faculties of Institute of Nursing Education, Ms. Manjusha Jagdane, Ms. Priyanka Hadule,
Ms. Preeti Srinath and Mr. Navnath Pawar to kindly come forward and pass the light of knowledge to the first year nursing students. Your lighting and igniting a purpose, a mission to serve humanity with unwavering dedication. This ceremony marks the beginning of the young students into the noble profession of nursing.
The next step is the solemn oath-taking ceremony, where our students pledge to uphold the ethics and principles of nursing. I now invite Dr. Amarja Gosavi, Associate Professor, to lead the oath.
I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I shall do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping.
I request all the students to please be seated.
Now I request Dr. Satish Chandra Bulte, MGM Mother Teresa College of Nursing, to present the college annual report for the year 2023-24.
Good morning, one and all. Honorable Chief Guest, respected dignitaries, faculty members, parents, and my dear students. A warm welcome to each one of you on this auspicious occasion, the lamplighting ceremony of the 17th batch of BSc Nursing, 31st batch of GNM, and 16th batch of ANM students. Teachers Day, World Suicide Prevention Day, World Mental Health Day, World Diabetes Day, World Heart Day, Blood Donation Camp Program also organized. These are the all activities we are conducting apart from our academic and also community.
Thank you, sir. I would now request respected Ms. Vidyarani Yamnam, Principal of MGM's Institute of Nursing Education, to present the annual report for the year 2023-24.
A very good afternoon to our respected chief guests of today's program, to all the dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, all the HODs from different colleges, in campus, out campus, to our dear teachers, and lastly, my dear students. So it's a very auspicious occasion, and I take this opportunity to present the annual report of the year 2023 and 24 for Institute of Nursing Education. Giving a brief information about the information, our institute got established in the year 1994 with GNM course, and thereby in the year 2009 we added auxiliary nursing and midwifery, who really put their heart and soul to bring the best out of our students. Beside the academics and clinicals, our students do excel in extracurricular and sport activities. These are the categories where they have won prizes like Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, March Past and Tableau presentation, running, which includes 100 and 300 meter, and other competitions like Rangoli and skit competitions. Achievement of faculties. Miss Anamika Bobre, she got International Outstanding Research Award by ISSN, International Research Awards Congress 2024 with World Research Council Oxford Research on 24 June 2024, which is at Tamil Nadu. Again, she completed her advanced certified course as diabetic educator and nursing administration and management from Astron Institute of International Studies, Gurgaon. Along with her, Mrs. Akshata Yogesh Mande successfully completed her BLS and SELS course from MJ Medical College and Hospital Skill Lab. I'm very proud to say that my students, when they were admitted, they're very fearful. They could even hardly write a complete application in English. I could not believe even they are doing research. Time office to kindly provide a bus. And thank you so much, sir. From this year, we have got our own. I think this is the biggest achievement of this year. Yeah, 2 buses, even Mother Teresa have got their own. And just as a student pass out, even before their registration, 56 students being selected in our own hospital. 5 of them has been selected in DMER as staff nurse, and 6 ANM students, they are also selected as staff nurses at Smita IVF Center. I want to share today, taking this opportunity, is that when we just turn back, or when I turn back, when I joined this institute, how were we and how are we now is all because our Kadam sir. It's not because something to just praise, but sir and all my patrons, today we stand with our head high is just because of you. You have always nurtured us in all our ups, in all our downs, and we are not afraid today, sir, to face anything that comes in our way. And we are very proud to say that our students are standing proudly, taking the name locally, nationally, globally. So this is our big achievement, and really when I close my eyes and when I think how blessed we are to be associated in this family, and I think the same feeling is with my staff, the same feeling is with my students, and the same feeling is with the parents, because during the time of admission, it's like a war, because they want to place their student with us, they want their students to be associated with us. It is all because of you, sir, and we are very blessed. We'll always remain thankful for this. So with this, I would like to end my annual report, and thank you very much all the organizers and my dear students. Thank you.
Education. This magazine is not just a collection of words and pictures, but a celebration of creativity, dedication, and excellence. I request our chief guest, Dr. Srilekha Rajesh, and all the dignitaries to please lead the launch of our annual magazine.
Professor M.J. Mother Teresa College of Nursing has published a book on forensic nursing, which is according to INC syllabus for 5th semester nursing students. I request Honorable Shri Ankush Rao Kadam, Dr. Srilekha Rajesh, and all the dignitaries to release the book. I also invite Dr. Merlin Shinde to come on stage. From Basic PSC Nursing, PSC first year, Ms. Neha Bakchure stood first with 75%. And
She also secured the distinction.
Her father, she would like her father to join with her as a respect. It was a request.
Pardon. This is Shaharija stood second in second year's morning nursing. Miss Naugiri Sunanda stood second in second year A&M nursing.
नमस्कार। आज के प्रमुख अतिथि डॉक्टर श्रीलेखा राजेश, डीन फैकल्टी MUHS फैकल्टी ऑफ नर्सिंग, हमारे प्रेरणा स्थान श्री अंकुश राव जी कदम, महात्मा गांधी मिशन मेडिकल कॉलेज हॉस्पिटल के चीफ मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडेंट और प्रिंसिपल सतीश चंद्र और प्रिंसिपल विद्या रानी और नर्सिंग क्षेत्र फैकल्टी के हमारे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर दलवी मैडम, यहाँ उपस्थित सभी विद्यार्थीगण और प्राध्यापकगण, आप सभी का मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। जैसे ही आप इस दीपक को प्रज्वलित करते हैं, नर्सिंग की परिभाषा करने वाले करुणा, एकता और उत्कृष्टता के मूल्यों को याद रखना चाहिए।
Shri Ankush Rao Kadam to address the gathering.
नमस्कार। आजचा जो समारंभ लाईटनिंग, तुमच्या आयुष्यातला अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा दिवस। या दिवशी तुम्ही जी शपथ घेताय ते एक फार महत्त्वाची शपथ आहे। रोग्यांच्या जीवनात थोडा जरी प्रकाश पाडता आला तरी तुमच्याकरता खूप पुण्याचं काम आहे। आज जवळपास 200 आहेत ना, 240 240 मुलींनी आज हा समारंभ अटेंड। या सगळ्या गोष्टी मन भावून टाकतात। मला प्रेरणा म्हणाली होती, प्रेरणा मॅडम, की तुम्ही आज या। आज मला एका कंपनीबरोबर कोलॅबरेशनचं ॲग्रीमेंट करायचं होतं, पण तुमचा लॅम्प लाईटिंगचा समारंभ असल्यामुळे मला इकडं यावं वाटलं आणि मी आलो।
Good afternoon. So this is, today you have more than 200 students have taken an oath of lamp lighting ceremony. You have already into the profession, you know history of nursing, you already learned. So this oath is something, it's entirely what you said, that each word has got a meaning. And that should go to inside of your heart. Then only you can enter to the solemn profession of nursing. Dear students, this is, you have got a very good opportunity to get admission in this esteemed one of the top colleges of Maharashtra University. And so you are in Maharashtra University of Health Sciences. There are 250 colleges approximately. One of the top 10 colleges, I feel, this is one of the visionary leader of Chairman Jadhav sir, Honorable Jadhav sir, and his visionary is made this college from only 30 years back, started with few students, and now it is more than 500 students and studying in this college. And one of the esteemed institution has got from A&M to the topmost PhD degree program running in one campus. That is one of, I think this is the second institution is having under Maharashtra, having A&M to PhD program. So that is you, all the students, dear students, you are privileged. The same way, each patient in the hospital, if they admitted, they expect from us, because we are in there with them 24/7. So that empathy should be coming from the heart. Once the empathy is come, then you can grow yourself. Once you don't want to compete with anything. In my experience, I've seen, if I could become a first dean of Maharashtra Nursing University, it's because of the blessings of the God, what I have done to the profession because of that. So that is why we don't want to go behind anything, but you have to do the heartful things, whatever your heart say, do well, and you will come to your
the best in your life.
Very good afternoon, one and all present here. I deem it great honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First of all, I sincerely thank you, our respected chief guest, Dr. Srilekha Rajesh, for accepting our invitation and taking time out from her busy schedule for being here with us today. Thank you, ma'am. Your thoughts have truly inspired us. And a special thanks our patrons, Honorable Sri Ankush Rauji Kadam, Honorable Dr. Rajendra Bora and respected Aparna Kakkad. Your presence has added an extra spark to this event and made it even more special. My heartfelt thanks to our admin officer, Mrs. Prerna Darvi, and our beloved principals, Mrs. Vidyarani Yamnan and Dr. Satish Chandra Bhuite sir, for their support, vision and guidance. In conclusion, I would like to thank all committees for their hard work, support for this event, and also thanks to SNA advisor, Mrs. Amarja Gosavi and Ms. Anamika Bobre and entire SNA team for management and arrangement. I also thank you sound management and all technicians. Last but not least, I would like to thank all teachers, faculties from INE and MTCN, students, parents and guests to make this event more successful. Thank you so much.
Loire moi program loire ai puk na bani yadre cute wali babode pura dhadak karna hai two wheeler la babode
But I have positive attitude. और जिसका positive attitude है उसको ही वो समझ में आता है ना मैम. देखने दो. मैं किधर ठीक है?
Everyone is looking so fab today. Send my lunch there. I'm going. Ay, Shidore, my lunch ko chaba hamara isa yaam nuaitre. चाबी भी नहीं है तो पुक नाम ना सीधे माओ अभी आज थोड़ा रो पाप माओ का भी दे है आज मेरा भी दे है नजर है ना थोड़ा मेरा काल भी ऋषि बने मौसी से लवली ना प्यारी ना प्यारी माओ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯕꯤꯔꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯛꯁꯦ सरप्राइज है ओके 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 मोइनदꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯌꯧꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯇꯥꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ दिखाओ सरप्राइज टेंग टेंग वाओ गुलाब जामुन आई बुची बुचा क्या है ये बोलो
ये बेसन पीठ का
ओके ये क्या है ये क्या है अंडा
वही है अंडा नहीं है
ओके ओके टेस्ट करूंगी मैं ट्राई करूंगी ओके
हो गया जो मैं अभी
थैंक यू
वेलकम
कहीं चादर येंगे मतम कुइरब तुंगदा कइनोम चसलगेको प्रोग्राम नाई मैम अदुना ngasi वीडियो से सुमाइना स्वाइदा लोइसलगे मैम सु नुंगाई नुंगाई लेबियो होनाबा लेबिगनो बाय बाय टेक केयर थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग